Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to restore recent items feature in Windows 7. Right-click Start button, click Properties. Check Store and display recently opened items. Click Customize. Check recent items. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.